So, hi everybody, this is a very brief demo. I'm going to use WebEx and see how this works for you. What I want to show you is, we talk a lot about the 730 headset, and we talk a lot about its boomless design and the fact it has these beamforming microphones. So we wanted to show you what that looked like in real terms, or really what that sounds like in real terms. Now, think about how you're watching this. I'm still in my home office here. I've got a touch 10 connected to a room kit screen in front of me. I've got my iPhone and I've got a 730. Now, there's some new code in the room kit, and what I've done is I've taken the 730 USB dongle and plugged that into the USB port of the room kit. Now, when I come onto the speaker of the Touch 10, it now shows up as a USB device here. So I've now got the option to go to listen and participate in the meeting through the room kit using my 730. Now, this is a new piece of code coming from the room kit. It's actually something we get asked for quite a lot because people want to be, you put these room kits in these lovely meeting rooms, they have glass walls, and sometimes the sound can still travel through. People want a private meeting, so this is actually quite a useful demo. So it's great that you know that, but I also want you to listen to the difference and how well the beamforming microphone. So for this, we need, I'm just going to play a music source. We've got here Mr. Bowie in Spotify, and we're going to play that here. So this is, I've got a desk mic here, and I've got the room kit in front of me. It's about 2 meters away. I'm about 1 meter away from that. I might step back for a second. So what I'm going to do now, it's going to get noisy. We're going to put Mr. Bowie on. So let's do that. So we've got Mr. Bowie on, so you can now hear that. That's the music source there. I'm not going to touch that in my headset here. I'm going to come to my Touch 10, and now you're hearing me talking over the music source, using the mic and using the room kit. Now, we're going to switch this to my headset on, and now you're hearing me talk via here. So what's happening now, via my 730, so what's happening now is, you have seen me, I've not touched the music source, I've not touched the volume. This is still, what this is doing is it's using the microphones in the headset, and it's beamforming and focusing on the sound of my voice. Now, this is the software that's in the headset is drowning out the background noise, so you should just be hearing this. Now, what I'm going to do in a second is leave the music source playing, and I'm going to switch the headset back to the room kit so you can hear the background noise. But right now, and I can move around a bit, this is my home office, so I can move over here like this. I'm not going to dance around, I almost did, but you can start to hear you should start to hear a little bit of the background noise on that music source. It's still playing. So let's go back now and let's switch over to the speakers in the room kit. So that's back to the speakers in the room kit. Music source is untouched, volume is untouched. So you can start to see how that works. Hopefully this demo is useful for you. Remember, a couple of things you've seen there. Before we summarise, we'll turn off David. A couple of things you've seen there. So I wanted to show you how you can plug a headset into our video devices. This works on room kits and works on room kit minis and the other devices. But also, importantly, that demo on the beamforming microphones. First, you heard it through the source right next to me in the room. I put the headset on, and the beamforming mics drown out the background noise. Really useful demo. Hope that's useful to you. Have a look at it. As always, ask questions in the Ask Headsets Teams room. Thanks very much.